Hello kids, today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. A is for apple, A is for ant. B is for ball, B is for bat. C is for carrot, C is for car. D is for duck, D is for door. E is for elevator, E is for egg. F is for fish, F is for flag. G is for guitar, G is for glass. H is for hammer, H is for hat. I for Indian, I for igloo. J for jam, J for juice. K for kangaroo, K for key. L for ladder, L for leaf. M for monkey, M for mouse. N for nail, N for nose. O for octopus, O for orange. P for paint, P for popcorn. Q for question, Q for queen. R for radio, R for rake. S for saw, S for snake. T for tree, T for train. U for umbrella, U for unicorn. V for vacuum, V for violin. W for whale, W for watch. X axe, X fox. Y for yo-yo, Y for yacht. C for zebra, C for zebra. Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Green color. Pink color. Purple color. Brown color. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for doll. E. E for egg. F. F for frog. G. G for glass. H. H for hat. I. I for igloo. J. J for jam. K. K for kite. L. L for lamb. M. M for man. N. N for net. O. O for onion. P. P for pen. Q. Q for queen. R. R for ring. S. S for star. T. T for train. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yacht. C. C for zebra. 1. 1 cat sleeps. 2. 2 birds fly. 3. 3 dogs play. 4. 4 cars go. 5. 5 flowers bloom. 6. 6 kids laugh. 7. 7 butterflies dance. 8. 8 monkeys jump. 9. 9 fish swim. 10. Ten balloons pop.